I'm Sharon. This is my house, my newly bought apartment. It's a 5-room point block in Geylang Bahru. I know P from a colleague. He introduced me, and I used P in my previous apartment. We have some kind of mutual understanding in terms of what I like and stuff like that, and she's daring enough to do what I requested. Okay, I would not say there's like a particular theme to it. There's actually a combination, but basically, if I want to put it, it's really personalized to my character. They are actually part of modern vintage. There's also grunge, which is in the kitchen. There's more fun part of the house, and there's like chill area and the cozy area in my own space. This part of the house is my favorite. It's really my own space. I chill here most of the time after work, and then like maybe I can do some reading. I write my poems, and when I'm tired, I have my massage chair, and I'll just go to bed after that. Yes, I would definitely recommend, but I think someone has to be trusting enough to let her, be daring to do the design, because I think the designs are not too conventional, which is the reason why I chose them. Bye!
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.